Genius Chef Ryland here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this wonderful Shamrock cake. So let's get our aprons and get started. Hey, it's Genius Chef Ryland here, and today we are going to be making shamrocks, and we're going to be using these little heart trays. They were my great grandma's, and then she passed them down to my grandma's, and then she used them for my mom and my aunt's Valentine's for all their functions too, and we're going to be using them for shamrocks. So here's all the ingredients in order. So we have cake mix, 3 eggs, some oil, buttermilk, peppermint flavoring, vanilla bean paste, some green food coloring gel, some buttercream, one's going to be white, one's going to be light green, and some green sprinkles. And then we have this board to decorate our shamrocks. Let's get baking!
What is that?
This is the cake batter that we're going to be using to make the cake. And we're going to put our eggs in them. And then we're going to push it down, lock it, and we're going to turn it to tip. So it doesn't go up. Now we're going to slowly put in the oil. Let's get thick. Now we're going to do the buttermilk. And we're going to stop it and put some of the peppermint in. Let's measure it out. And then we're going to put some of the vanilla bean paste in. And we're going to measure it out. And then we're going to mix it again. And then we're going to add some of the green ones next. So, okay. Let's mix again. Make sure to lock it so it doesn't fly everywhere. And remember to scrape your bowl so you get all the leftover powder. Okay. Now I'm gonna grease my cups and fill them and then bake them in the oven. So let's let it mix for a little bit because I could still see some of the cake batter itself. And I could see some dye. And let's get greasing the pan on it. This is how you grease the pan. Take a brush, put some butter on the brush, and just spread the butter all along the pan, even the sides. If you need more butter, feel free to get some. And I will be showing you guys how to put the cake batter in too. And then, when you're done greasing the pan, put your parchment paper in and press it down a little bit. And then you're going to take this. You're going to scoop some of the cake batter, and you want it level, and then put it in. And just keep doing that. Now I have all my pans filled, I'm going to put them in the oven. So let's do that. Now that your cakes are all baked, the bottom of the cake becomes the top. And you want to take some buttercream. Take one of your cakes, flip it upside down, put the buttercream on, and then place it where you want it so that it doesn't slide around. And you do that with the same. So now that we have all that done, we're going to take our first piping bag and pipe around the edges like flowers. So you push down, not too hard though. Squeeze and then pull up. And do the same with all of the others. Okay, now that you're done with the first row, you're going to want your striped bag, which has some white and some green, and it's striped. And you're gonna fill in the inside of it. Do the same thing, same flowers, but just in the inside. Keep doing it till all of it gets filled in. And when you're done with all the rest of them, I will show you what to do, but let's keep going on with the rest. remember, just do one layer for the first one, and then with your second one, you want to fill it all in. And then do your last one. And then you are going to take the one you filled in with the other two and do the same that you did with all the others. You forgot how to do the flowers? You push down but not too hard, squeeze and lift up. I'm going to pipe with your medium-sized one and pipe along the side so you cover all the rest of the cake. And the next step is to do your stem. So you're going to want a bigger tip, and you can do whatever kind of stem you like. You want to make it look perfect on all the blank spots. And then if you have some that are overlapped and you don't want it like that, I'll show you what to do. So if you don't want it like overlapped, you can take this knife and just spread it. If you have a bunch of buttercream on, you just wipe it off on a bowl or a cup or whatever you have. So if you guys want sprinkles, you can get some of your sprinkles. You can put them wherever you want, but just sprinkle them lightly if you want them not all over and just in a huge pile, because that's what I usually do. And then I just lightly sprinkle them. Remember, lightly put the sprinkles on if you don't want to end it up in a huge pile. Like I said, you guys don't have to follow me in what I am doing. You can put them wherever you like. And there we go. This is the Shamrock you guys all created. I hope you share pictures with me and your friends and family members and maybe teach them how to do it. Sharp Ryland out.